Nala, where'd your toy go? Oh, are you doing your business? Oops. We'll look away for a moment.
Are you videoing?
Well, now I'm videoing you. Oh, sadness. Whatever. Okay, now she's done. As we see the wild Nala prancing.
She gave up on the stick.
She did. Nala, come. Come here. Come here, puppy dog. And there she comes. And there she goes. Hey, did you find your stick? Go find a stick. Here, let's get another one. Do you want this stick? Do you want this stick? Huh? Oh, hey. That wasn't supposed to happen. You ready? You ready? You want a stick? Oh, no. You little. Go get it.
It didn't go that far, Nala.
It's like, I don't know where it went. Where did it go? Where'd it go, Nala? Find it. Yeah, shake your tail. Come here. Did you not find your stick?
I got you another one, though. Oh, you broke it! You broke it!
See, no, I was just making two.
You want it? She's like, just throw it already. Go get it. Oh. It had a curved end. Nala.
She's like,
Hey.
What?
It's right here. Whoop. It had a curved end, and so whenever I went to let it go, it just hooked on my hand.
Right.
It did.
Oh, you didn't find it, did you? Here, you want this one?